delicious cake.
Yum.
So here are the ingredients we need to put into it.
Flour, eggs, water, oil.
Baking powder, cocoa powder, sugar and salt. So let's get started.
No shell.
And now we're going to add the sugar. Now we're going to add in the dry ingredients. And sift. Oh, this is a bit messy.
Ooh, so like the spoon?
Yes. Wow, that was actually quite yum. We then pour the mixture into the pan.
This is the hard part, waiting for the cake to rise.
The heat in the oven turns the mixture of the cake into something completely different.
A whole lot of mix turns into a beautiful, fancy and delicious.
Just like us, God takes our lives with all the gifts, talent, and special purpose and turns it into something amazing.
Sometimes you can find you in a wilderness or a bit of heat on you.
But God is faithful and will use these times to turn your life into something delicious. I mean great. Oh, this is so good. Oh, bye.
Bye.